So today we are going to discuss on the topic plants. It's your science class and here is name the pictures. So today we are going to do activity with our pencil, eraser, notebook and colors. Yes, I know my champions love to do coloring, right? So that's why I have chosen this activity today. So I'm going to draw some pictures on the board and you are going to tell me what is the name of those pictures, and then after completing all these things we are going to color our picture. Okay, come on. So already we have discussed different parts of our plants. As human beings are having different parts of their bodies, in the same way plants are also having different parts of their body, and these body parts were individually discussed in our last class. So I am going to draw individual parts of the plants and you are going to tell me that what is the name of this part. Okay, ready? Come on, let's start. So, who is going to tell? Yes, Shyama Prabhu is the first one. It's root. It's root. Very good. Very good. Prithviraj, excellent. Shauhardo. Then after Priyam, Shashmit, Ashmita, everyone. Very good, beta. Everyone has given the correct answer and still I am receiving all the answers very nicely. So, it's R O O T. It's root. R O O T. Root. Okay. Next comes number 2. Number 2 is here comes number 2. And yes, but Ashmita, what I told, I have drawn only one leaf. So it will be LEAF. This point was also discussed in our last class, that when we are having many numbers, then we will say leaves, and if it is only one, we will say leaf. LEAF. Okay, beta? Very good. And rest of my champions have given the correct answer. Even my Ashmita champion is also doing the same one. Yes, come on. Just it was in hurry, she wrote it. Yes. So here is LEAF. 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 Now let's go for the new one. Let me see how much board you are able to see. Okay. Yes, you can see. Okay. Okay. So what is this? What is this? This is steam. Okay. So here comes the word steam. Here comes the word steam. Yes, very good Ashmita. Very good Shyama Prabhu. So here it is steam. So we can identify, amra chinte shikechi what? We can identify root, we can identify leaf, we can identify stem. Now the next pictures I am going to give you and you are going to answer me. Okay. So here comes your next picture, and I can see in the chat box all the answers are ready. So that's why I always repeat that these people are genius. They are just outstanding. So let's see. Yes, I got the answer of all the three. Very good. Those who have given the answers. Outstanding students. Flower, fruit and brood. Yes, these are the three names of this picture. It's flower, fruit and wood. Okay students, I am going to upload one worksheet regarding this part also on ePortal, and you are going to complete that worksheet, color it, and then after you are going to send it to me on ePortal. This is one practice sheet of it which has been done in the classwork. I am going to give one more activity at your home also. So today I am not going to check your worksheet or practice paper over here. I will be checking it on ePortal. Only those students, I am repeatedly requesting Shyama Prabhu, beta please collect your student ID and password and please join ePortal. And if you are having any problem for joining or you are facing any problem while joining ePortal, you just tell me over in the chat box so that I can help you out. Is there any problem? Why you are not joining? Those students who are not still joined the ePortal. Any problem? Okay. So you just send your assignments also, whatever the worksheets over there I have uploaded, you just finish it, click the picture and send it on the ePortal also. I want your assignments over there also. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Follow the ePortal worksheets also. It will be quite helpful to you. I can see. Very good. Your practice is going on very nicely. So all of you will color these pictures also. Okay. I conclude my class over here. I submitted my previous assignments, but something went wrong. Okay. Something went wrong. Okay, if you are facing, ma'am, any problem while submitting the assignments, could not understand. Okay, if you are facing any problem while submitting the assignment, ma'am, you please talk to our front office. They will obviously sitting over there to help you out. If there is any technical problem also, our IT experts will help you or guide you for that part. Okay, so please call them and take help from our front desk. Thank you. Okay, very good, Simran. Very nice. So I conclude my class over here today, and I will be back again with a new class on new day, new fresh morning. Ma'am, I did not see the assignment ePortal. Please help me. Okay, Shashmit, you just collect your student ID and password from our school front office desk. Okay, and as soon as you are getting it, you can log in for ePortal. Okay, so call front office at school and please collect your student ID and password. As soon as you are getting it, you can log in over there. You have given your assignment also, you have given your PT2 assignment, then after you have given your term 1, I hope so. So over there worksheets are also been uploaded. All the videos which will be helpful for you for KG class has been uploaded over there, so you can see everything on one page. Okay, you have to just click and open it whatever you require. Okay. Okay students, bye bye.